Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to another vlog. It's a ride, it's a cross-border ride. Welcome to my vlog. I'm opening this vlog as the day before our ride to Botswana. So I'd like to introduce you to my trip. Please subscribe, like, and share. My name is Tans and I'm a rider. Good morning, and it's a ride. Welcome to my vlog again. I've opened this vlog yesterday actually, and guys, let me tell you, I am so excited. So this is just a few of us. Our meeting point is one stop in Bloemfontein just before we ride to Welkom. So here is our route. So we will be riding from Bloemfontein to Welkom. Then from Welkom, we'll ride to Lichtenburg, which is where we'll be having our lunch. And then we will ride to Mafikeng, which is where we will be sleeping. So yeah, so this is just a few of us. The rest of the people will be picking them on the way. And let me tell you, I am so excited. I look forward to basically just riding my bike on a longer distance. And yeah, you know, having a feel, and it is always nice, always super cool actually to ride with other bikers and riding a long distance ride. And yes, you guessed it, we will be camping. You know, one of the things I absolutely love about the cross-border rides that we do with my club, it's the fact that we encourage camping. And as much as, you know, people would want to ride and go sleep maybe at a hotel and what, we do not dispute that. You are welcome to also do that. However, the rest of us are camping because during our camping we have these few things that we love to do. Anyway, so here we were on our way. We are in Lichtenburg currently, and we are having our lunch, taking pictures, waiting for the others that are coming from other provinces. And yeah, the road has been great so far. The route has been clear, the weather is beautiful. Yeah, and I'm forever excited. I mean, can you tell? Look at the pictures, like you see, that's me. So yeah, please enjoy the rest of the video. I will not be talking too much, however I will come there and there. And yeah, if you are still watching, please subscribe, like, and share. Your support was highly appreciated. It's the morning of the cross-border, and I'm now waiting for the other people to come, and so that we can go for our breakfast. So I'm waiting for Uncle Mac. So while we're waiting for the others, we decided to play a game of pool. So yeah, myself and Uncle Mac did that while we waited. And yeah, so today is the day where we're going to go to cross the border to Botswana. We will be using a skilpadek, and we will also be taking this opportunity to do a memorial of one of the bikers that passed away in Mafikeng on their way to Botswana.
when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. Yeah, they hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, yeah. I had to elevate. I'm way up, way too fly, yeah, I'm feeling myself. Ain't no chance I'm coming down, no. Got a soul view to myself, yeah. Why would I give it up? Why do they wanna come take my place? I work too hard for it, don't need a replacement. This my vocation, now I got rollies, all in rotation. Hop on a jet just to take a vacation. Remember the moments was trapped in the basement. Now the hard work is all taking me places. Starting all black like we trapped in the matrix. Bet on myself and go ball out in Vegas. Living a life like I'm rich and I'm famous. Don't see the grind that I know that it came with, oh. I ain't make it this far for myself, yeah. I had to prove to everybody else, I had to set them straight, yeah. I had to ball, so I had to renovate, I know. They hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. Yeah, they hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, yeah. I had to elevate. Ooh, yeah. Why they wanna put me down? So much drip, yeah, I almost drowned in it. I can't come it down, yeah, I'm way too fired up. I can't slow it down. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I see the flashing lights, make sure the fashion right, yeah. I'm in my bag tonight, yeah. Ooh, I might just pull up before it. Watch out, the engine is roaring. It's too loud, you can ignore it. Yeah, yeah. This that high life with a view. You get to have it all, no need to choose. First, let me demonstrate how you can.
What a day it has been, what a day it has been, and what a weekend for us. So guys, we just closing the night, as tomorrow we will be riding back. And the morning came, guys. We will not believe me when I tell you that we got rained on from the border of Botswana until we arrived in Bloemfontein. Some of us, let me speak for myself. I was so wet for getting rained on the whole day. Even here, I was still wet, and then we were actually just getting our lunch. We've been rained on since the border, and yeah, we're just chilling, trying to get warm, getting some food, yeah. And we were in Klerksdorp. So it has been a great journey, a great ride, if you ask me. Always a lily among thorns. So I'm just with my club guys and the 057 riders, and yeah, making jokes. These guys are funny. So thank you very much for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. My name is Tans, and I'm a rider.